Chào mừng các bạn đến với kênh Tiếng Việt miền Nam cho người nước ngoài. In today's video, I will teach you how to pronounce the two consonants ta, tha. T and TH are very confusing to learners. The reason they're so confusing because the position of the tone when pronouncing these consonants are the same. First, let's learn how to pronounce the T in Vietnamese. Listen and repeat. Ta, 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 ta. In Vietnamese, the tip of the tongue touching the alveolar ridge. In this graph, that means it's from number 4 to number 5. Ta, ta. Remember, ta is an aspirated dental stop sound. So, in other words, you don't release the air much. It should be ta. It's not t. Okay? Ta. Now let's go through some examples. Listen and repeat. Ta, tỳ, tú, tử, tẻ, tọ. Good. Now let's go to the TH. TH has the same position of the tone. The only difference here is TH in Vietnamese is aspirated. Listen and repeat. Tha, tha. When I say aspirated, that means it's released a lot of air when you pronounce the sound. Ta, ta. Now let's go through some examples. Tha, thì, thú, thử, thẻ, thọ. Okay, so again, ta, unaspirated, ta, aspirated. Now let's compare between ta and tha. Listen and repeat. Ta, tha, té, thé, tệ, thệ, tủ, thủ, tờ, thờ, tắm, thấm, tàn, thàn, táp, tháp, tết, thết. Good. Now let's practice in sentences. 1. Thu, tu, thì, từ, từ, thấy, thích, thú. Tôi thấy thương, từ, từ, thích, thả, thính. Tú, thích, thú, tìm, tòi, tập, tính, loài, tinh, tinh. Thầy, tôi, tính, tình, thánh, thiện, tựa, thiên, thần. Okay, so that's all. Actually, I have an extra poem. I hope that this can help. It's just a lot of practice. Now, listen to the poem. Tôi trao thật tấm tình tha thiết, tìm tình thơ tặng thiệt tình thương, tận tâm trọn thể tin tường, thấm thuần thành thục trên trường tình thâm. I have no idea what does that mean. Okay, so that's all. Now let's go to exercising. There are 5 sentences. You have to fill in the blank by choosing the word that you hear. Listen and choose the correct word. 1. Tôi thấy nhớ nhà. 2. Buổi tiệc sinh nhật. 3. Không nên tắm khuya. 4. Yêu là tha thứ. 5. Tiếng chó làm thương giật mình. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, just comment below. If you have any suggestions for our future videos, also comment below. We will make our videos based on your suggestion. And that's all for today. To watch more videos in the future, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. Cảm ơn, tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại.